Would it surprise you to learn that 10 times out of 10, the air inside the average home measures higher in contaminants than the air outside? In fact, indoor air pollution in U.S. homes exceed levels of outdoor pollution by anywhere from 2 to 100 times. For allergy sufferers, it's a worst-case scenario. Ask any allergy sufferer and they'll tell you allergies blow. And it's not easy to shut allergens out completely. The dust, pollen, smoke, and mold spores that float around outside make a formidable allergen force on their own. Add a buildup of dust mites and pet dander to those rings, which is what you get indoors, and a lot of allergy sufferers start to fantasize about colonizing space. Because most of us spend 90% of our lives indoors, it's unpleasant to think of home as another place to combat allergens. It's especially true for the 1 in 5 who suffer from allergies or asthma. Relief doesn't have to be just a fantasy, though. The great thing about indoor spaces is allergy deterrents that are natural to that environment. Once you know exactly what those are, you can focus on strengthening them. Carpets, rugs, and other soft furnishings are one example. Did you know that they help filter dirt, allergens, and bacteria from the air inside your home? In fact, carpet traps up to 8 times its weight in dirt and dust, as much as a pound of dirt per square yard and an average of 200,000 bacteria per square inch as well. That's good to know, but passive defenses won't do the work alone. So what's the secret to sustainable allergy relief without turning into Bubble Boy or Girl? Well, because you probably want to keep your pets, and because dust mites don't vacuum themselves, and because bacteria and pollen won't be eradicated without also eradicating the ozone layer, then the only real relief will come from regular cleaning and other healthy home practices. Here are a few tips to focus your efforts. Place doormats and area rugs at both sides of entries, and make it a habit to dust in those areas. Also, get into the habit of weekly vacuuming. Wash all bedding regularly and consider replacing padded bed covers with more allergy-resistant ones. Bathe and groom pets regularly. Replace furnace filters on time. And as much as possible, keep windows and doors closed to shut out pollen, smog, and dust. Because carpets filter so much gunk out of the air, it's important to keep them cleaned every 3 to 4 months by professionals who use a natural, safe, and effective solution, like Chem-Dry. Chem-Dry's hot carbonating extraction cleaning process penetrates deep into carpet fibers and is proven to remove an average of 98% of common household allergens from carpet and upholstery, and 89% of airborne bacteria when a sanitizer is added. Chem-Dry's green certified solution is natural, contains no soaps or detergents, and is safe and non-toxic for kids and pets. With over 3,500 Chem-Dry franchises worldwide, chances are good there's one close to you. While there are lots of issues with indoor air quality, following these few simple practices will improve the healthfulness of your home and the air you and your family breathe.